That's when Naomi Osaka burst onto the scene in 2018, winning that US Open title as a 20-year-old. Instantly, the Maverick became her biggest fan. I fell in love with Naomi Osaka. Her humility and her simplicity just bowled me over. But say, over time, me I fall out of love with Naomi. I don't love her anymore. From that whole saga of not wanting to do interviews after losing, where she ended up taking a break from the game and blah, 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 to this latest incident at Indian Wells, where one single spectator, one dega spectator, allegedly heckled Osaka. This was not racial or nothing distasteful, nothing outlandish, just normal fan rant. Say Osaka stopped playing and said she wanted to address the crowd, and then she put on one bag of cow bawling and blah, blah, blah. Because one person in the crowd basically said, Osaka, you're not good. Instructively, this was after she lost the match. Osaka is now officially annoying the Maverick. Yes. And not for the first time, she skillfully inserted a hot button issue by suggesting that the lone person heckling her Osaka reminded her of when Serena Williams got racially abused at the same venue. Hold that drop in. Me don't love Naomi anymore. She get on top of my nerves now. This is no longer the woman I fell in love with. Naomi, you broke the Maverick heart. And me a crying now, Osaka, you break the Maverick heart. This is not the woman me fall in love with.